So today I'm testing my GFX coil. That's a gravity film heat exchanger, and basically this is a heat recycling system for your plumbing. We've got our main drain stack coming down from our bathrooms upstairs and goes into this coil, and essentially this is a coaxial copper tube. So we've got a 3-inch inner pipe that goes straight down, and then wrapped around it here is a 3/4-inch copper water pipe. And the way it works is our cold water comes in down here, coils around this thing, and absorbs the heat from the water going down that center drain, and then the heated water comes out here. And over here on my water heater, I've got a couple of temperature probes set up for the input and the output, and you can see right now I've got about a 9-degree temperature rise from that GFX coil. It does fluctuate a little bit. I've noticed as much as about a 13 to 14 degree temperature rise, and I've noticed as little as about 7-degree temperature rise. So I'm calling the average about 10-degree temperature rise, and that can make a really big difference in terms of energy usage, cost savings, and especially if you've got a on-demand hot water heater, because those things need to raise the water temperature from about 50 degrees or maybe 45 degrees in the case of northern Minnesota. That's the average temperature of the water coming out of the ground, whether you've got a well or city water, and you need to raise that up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit for your hot showers. That is a huge temperature increase, basically instantaneously. And so your on-demand water heater needs to work really hard. So if we can get an extra 10 degrees of temperature rise before we go into that water heater, that can really help out, especially if you've got multiple showers going on at the same time. So GFX coil, gravity film heat exchanger coil, really neat invention, and they're available from a lot of different vendors. Just Google GFX coil, and you'll find a bunch of suppliers and pricing online. You'll probably need a licensed plumber to install this thing. It is a little bit complicated with the plumbing, and every drain stack situation is a little bit different. It honestly may not work in every house, but if you can fit it in, it's definitely a great addition to your energy savings. GFX coil.